In this ShopZBuilder review, I'm going to be showing you a software that's going to allow you to launch your own multi-online vendor store and sell both physical and digital products in less than 30 seconds. And make sure you stay until the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades and how you can get a discount on every single one of them. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals on upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out ShopZBuilder, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out on the YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And also hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of extra bonuses here that you're going to be getting if you purchase this through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you right inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says the online retail industry has seen a massive 146% growth due to the pandemic. Get ready to cash in. Push one button to launch your own online multi-vendor store that sells physical and digital products in less than 30 seconds. They say double profit setup accounts for other vendors, charge a sign-up fee, commissions on every sale. So you can do this for other people as well. You can sell physical products, digital products, earn from home, etc., etc. Essentially, it's a store builder that you can use for yourself or others with a multi-vendor license included right on the front end for a very low price. Now, they've got some screenshots here of some money that they've made. I mean, these are Warrior Plus screenshots. So I guess from selling digital products is what they're showing here, just so you guys know. Also, step 1 says click the buy button. Step 2, import or add in your entire stores. And then step 3, they say step back and watch the profits come in. You're going to have to send traffic to your store, right? It's not going to automatically like magically bring you traffic here. So they're talking about the pandemic and like everyone's having a difficult time with like, it's true. Like the fact that a lot of stores are going online now, it's normal for people to have an online presence. And this is something that you could offer to people in your area or even not in your area. Offer to give them a store and take them online as well. Even if they have a website already, they might not have a store to sell their products on. And this could be something that you could do with this here. So let me scroll down here. Scroll through all this stuff. If you decide to purchase, you'll have access to the software, the training, the multi-vendor license. You get the free hosting for your product videos, all that included for a low one-time price. I don't think there's a downsell on the front end. Sometimes if you move your mouse away, a discount will pop up. You can try it, but I don't think there is one on this one. But I always want you to try it. I always try to find you the discounts. Give me a like if you like the fact that I show you these discounts. Okay, so I'm going to show you a quick video, and we're going to come back. I'm going to show you the backend area and the OTOs and the discounts.
Hey, hello everyone. Let me introduce you with ShopZBuilder. It's a traffic building all-in-one megastore creator software where you can build your own brand and style of your online store. Alright, once you created your store will look like this and you will have full control over it. You can customize it with your own product, own brand and whatever you want from the admin area. So this is the ShopZBuilder admin area and you can customize everything from here. Well, we said it all in all. It's because of this product section. You can see that you can add product, different types of product. You can add physical product, digital product, licensed product, campaign product and product on demand. So this is how you can add multiple types of product on your store. Also, we have the affiliate product section. You can add affiliate product to your store and also others can sell product as a vendor and you can manage them from the vendor section. Then you can see the awesome features of this application. You can manage your product categories and you can divide them into main category, subcategory and child category. Then you can set up the cross-selling relations, which is super awesome. And then you can see that you can upload bulk product, you can set coupons, you can set up the general settings, you can set up autoresponder, you can set up the email, you can set up the payment gateways and you can set up the social media settings and other settings. So this is how you can control your store and this is how you can use the awesome features of this application. And the most important thing is you don't have to pay monthly recurring fees like Shopify and others application. So thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.
Okay, so this is the first, this is the backend area here that you'll have access to after you purchase. You have everything all included in one easy to use area. And then they've got upgrades. So the first one here, it says you can get more traffic and boost your profits with the plus version. So this is for traffic. I mentioned before, it's not like traffic's not included. You can automatically get more free traffic on demand. It says automatically build your list, built-in autoresponder, send automated weekly emails, your affiliate links inside of your email, auto-generated email text, so you don't have to write your own. So this is all about capturing people, getting them on an email list, and then sending traffic with this. So this is a, looks like it's 37, but here's what I'm going to show you. Move your mouse away on this one and a discount comes up on this. So make sure you do that. Again, I make less as an affiliate, but I always want you to get the lowest price. Please give me a like if you like the fact that I show you these discounts. Okay, next one here, it's going to give you an extra traffic source with instant push alerts, so push notifications. Again, for this one, you're going to want, it's normally 47, you're going to want to move your mouse away and get that $20 discount here for that one. Next one here, you can get unlimited sites and commercial rights with the plus version of it as well included. So normally this one is 67. Move your mouse away, you can get a $30 discount, bring that down to 37 there. Next one here, you can do auto-generated daily posts with this one. This one's normally, how much? 97. Move your mouse away, bring that down to 47. Next one here is you can get more content and boost your profits with, it's going to write articles for you for your store. Normally 97, you can bring the price down to 47. And the last one, you can get reseller rights to this. So this reseller rights normally is 197. Move your mouse away and get a $100 discount, bring that down to 97. All these OTOs are optional. Pick and choose the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. So what do I like about ShopZBuilder and what don't I like about it? If I had to say something that I don't like about it, I guess the fact that if you just throw random products up on a store, you're probably not going to make much money. You're going to need to like pick a niche, make sure that you're creating stores that are specific to different niches. You're going to need to get traffic to them as well. So I'd recommend you could create YouTube videos to get traffic to them. You could post them in different forums and whatnot, and go on Twitter and recommend them to people. There's multiple ways of getting traffic, or you can get some of the upgrades to capture email addresses and remarket to people as well. What do I like about this? I really like the opportunity of selling stores to businesses. I think it's something that people really need. It's something that like everyone gets offered websites, but people want to make sales. So if you can go and approach a business and say, hey, I'm going to put your store online, and you turn this into a business, it could be a great opportunity for someone looking for something like that. Thank you so much for checking out my ShopZBuilder review. If you want to take a look at it, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out on the YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next review video. Thanks.